Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, May 19th, and here's what we're doing today in social studies. You're going to be watching this video. Keep in mind that the video is for everybody to watch because that's how I go over instructions for the assignment. So make sure that you're watching the video completely and then filling out the Google form. When that's done, turn in any late works. Yesterday you guys had a summative, so if that's not turned in today, then your social studies grade will change to a 0 incomplete since it was a summative. So make sure that gets handed in before you start today's assignment. Then take today's poll. For the discussion, you're going to answer the question and then respond to 2 other students. For our assignment today, you're going to be reading 8.1 in Pearson Realize and then completing a scavenger hunt. And here's what that looks like. So you are going on a scavenger hunt to find the vocabulary words both in chapter 8.1 and on the internet. After reading 8.1, complete each column for the 5 remaining vocabulary words. Be sure to follow all the criteria listed in each column. The first word has been completed for you as an example, and then hand into Unified Classroom when you're done. So on this chart, I gave you the words from 8.1, and you need to fill out each column. So the first one is going to be the definition. This is directly from Pearson, so it's not from Google, it's right from your textbook, and fill that in. Your historical sentence goes in the next box. So in your own words, so again, this is not from Pearson or from the internet, you are writing this sentence on your own. Make sure that you include the word in the sentence as well as what the definition of the word is, and then write the sentence in historical context about ancient Rome. Then what you're going to do is going to go on a scavenger hunt on the internet to find a current article from an actual website or source. So you're not just going to, cut and paste from Google or go to Wikipedia, but actually find somewhere that has an article that includes the word in it in a modern day context. So in the example that I did, this is a news site that has an article. After you attach the link to the article, you are going to go to the next column, which is to make the connection. So answer the question, how does the modern day article connect to the historical context in ancient Rome? For the example, the word that I did was structure. So I looked for an article that talked about modern structures. And what I said for the connection was that the article talks about the materials used to make modern structures and the chemical process involved in the materials involved. It relates to ancient Rome because they used various materials to make their structures and they are still around today. And then the picture that I included was of a structure from ancient Rome. So that's what you're going to do for the remaining 5 words from the chapter and then hand it in. In my virtual classroom today, you have a link to the Google form. I remind you to do the discussion, a link to Pearson to read the chapter, your scavenger hunt, and then the picture contest. We have our picture contest winner in my classroom today. And that's it. If you have any questions, email me. If not, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.